Hello, it's Ali from Play Smart with Ali, and today I'll be teaching you how to get really smooth animating. Now, a few weeks earlier, I was really bad at animating. Or actually, I could say a few months earlier. It was a long time ago. I was really bad at animating. I made animations that looks like this. As you see, it's not smooth, plus the graphics are horrible, plus look at it, just overall, it's a horrible animation. You don't want this display. So I'm gonna teach you how to make exactly the opposite of this, something smooth and with good graphics. So the trick to smooth animating is extremely easy. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna use this same guy. So I'm gonna improve his graphics a little bit more. So I'm gonna make make him like. Why, these are just really simple graphics because I don't want to make the video too long. These are really simple graphics. Just gonna make him white, I guess. Gonna make the background like black. Something like that. So he's gonna just be some white stickman. Black background. Just that. Yeah. I'm just gonna make this stickman white so I can have a white stickman. Alright, so here's my white stickman, and I'm gonna give him some eyes just to make him have some detail or something. I'm gonna give him a mouth, like all stickmans need mouths, right? There we go. So we got something better. So this is our white stickman right now. It looks a little scary. So I'm gonna change the background to a nice gray. And maybe make him look a little happier, not make him look so creepy and scary. Yeah, that looks better. So now I got our stickman. So this stickman, so I'm gonna get one flag clicked, and I'm gonna say looks show, and then I'm gonna go to costumes and animate. So in animating, now I'm gonna just make a black square around him so I can see what I'm doing. And once I make this black square, I'm gonna click back. So now I can see how he looks like, because without the black square, as you see, it's kind of hard to see his physical structure. So now we can see it. Now I'm gonna copy this costume, and we want his eyes to move. Now we don't want his eyes moving like really poorly and not really good animated way. So what we do is, the trick to animating is never animate like this. Never like pull with your mouse. Always keep it with your hand. Always do it with arrow keys. Now you click on this eye, and then so you're using your arrow keys. I'm gonna click the right arrow key and click it 2 times. 2 times. Same for here. 1, 2. Then do the same here. But now I'm gonna make it 5 clicks on the right arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. I'm gonna make it 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press or clicks or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to duplicate this. So as you see, we got this moving eyes somehow. So I'm going to duplicate this. And now I'm going to do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I'm gonna make it 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 presses. Now here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 presses. And then I'm gonna go here and actually now I'm gonna make it 18 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 presses. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18 presses. Not 19, sorry about that. So we've got it moving. So we've used our, okay, so once I click show, we're gonna also put a forever, not a forever, get a repeat until, not a repeat, and get an equals, get a costume number, go to looks, get this costume number thing, and then you count. So this is costume 1, so you switch your costume to costume 1 first, then you count how many costumes are there after costume 1 until the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So repeat until costume number equals 6. We are going to next costume. Now if we do this, this happens. It's kind of smooth that you see the eyes move really smoothly. But it kind of goes too fast a little. If you like it like this, you can leave it, but I think it's too fast. So I'm gonna say wait 0.05 seconds. Or 0.04 seconds. So I actually like it with next costume, just like that. But if you want to make it slower, you can just pull in that good old wait. Now we want his eyes moving the other side. So we're gonna go here and duplicate and do the same thing, but with the left arrow. 1, 2 presses, and 1, 2 presses. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're gonna make it 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 presses. Okay. Then we're gonna make it, right now we're gonna make it 18 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 presses. As well here, we're gonna make this 21 actually this time. 21 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I'm going to leave it at this. So we're going to go here, and we're going to check. So remember when we repeat until costume number equals 6, so we're going to go to costume 6. We're going to go here, and then after it's costume 7. Wait, go to costume 7 actually, not costume 6, and go to costume 8. Costume 8. So switch costume to costume 8. Go there. Make that costume 8. 8. And then, how many times until 8 after 8, how many other costumes are there? So we're going to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 costumes. So we're going to do this again. Repeat until. And this time we're going to do repeat until the last costume, which is costume 14. Let's repeat until costume equals 14. Next costume. So what this says is this. So he looks there and then looks there. And as you see, it's really smooth. It's extremely smooth animation. Now you can do this for all sorts of stuff, like moving with the hand or moving with the head. So all you need to do, the basics is just move an object with arrow keys about like 2 and then 5, like keep increasing the number that you press the right arrow. So my name is Ali. Please like and subscribe this video and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell if you want to see more videos. And I'm out. Bye.